me chira wo mo adie bi na no be say obi plan bibi na nkomo bi akoso omo di brigand of oni so bo mo hu
more fire
ana me chira odi enti a eho eye Ayisi of Minerals Commission ni ato abawie ni apam nkrofo na Ayisi die gya ne wo ne empam no edinyo wonwa enya wonwa
more fire
enya wonwa enya wonwa sesa me jamfi na sami jamfi communications e diaba expert par excellence edi party animwa for 8 years dia communicate ya mfa communications ho hwe ama na PMMC na kotena won ye di gold board oba na sami wo hwe gold board so e wa bra act no a e ba e set up sami jamfi PMMC no ama ne tumi o de set gold board bo mo ya de bi sami jamfi no atuna num tu me be kan e mo anyima ni na ma kire mu di ntia ene ye wi e de be ko forestry commission Kobi eti na no me be kan ye Ghana flag ni yellow no which is the gold me be kan ho asem so mo sheda no mo de Ayisi atena ba bi ote no cause game bi be koso no mo wi green na we Ghana flag ni no which is the forestry belt ene wo mo ba ye frɛ papa bi Dr. Hughes Brown ekofo na ne ye executive secretary of a year final a year forest services forestry services our forestry commission omo ba ye omo elevating from we say your Friday say executive secretary to see acting CE chief executive and you busa say ai owura Brown na ati ho no na dia na ma omo ba ye omo kondo if so omo ba ye omo tenu of office kura ne ye pam omo tenu of office ye pam omo wo dia di abo abaso Bobby Brown Because serious matter, I get out. Yeah, the Owura Hughes Brown, Dr. Hughes Brown. Yeah, elevating no. Yeah, pamu be free officer no. And you be NPP for saying to what one no. Na just a nerd man wo ye chia ya na. Ana no ye baby ma NDC for no. Na mo adwuma bi ne ye hyehyɛ. It Hughes Brown na beboa ye. Ana do me market for di nkomo so Hughes Brown wone ma me be a friend Valerie S o said there be me dia me nim ne di. Na Valerie S no. Ya ye ne so campaign kura no nam no so kokoboa dwoma ama. Do me for ne na eka. And one yanam so any yanokure. No, so say yanokura, none a yere, or no Dr. Hughes Brown, and a yere. No, ye director of HR, our forest, one in the year in an hour. I no one see a bell elevating the Nakosorono. And no more year faster than a year in free forestry commission. And no more than a share a year lands never natural resource ministry. It's in a year in flu said a conflict of interest, Emma. Dr. Hughes Brown. You have a question. Aden no mama out chief executive. But when you look at the act in there setting up the Forestry Commission, which is Act 571 of 1999. You hear you were dear. Mofanto so. Kovani nyina. They make out as a Govi. Eti papa ya making a sin one Valerie S. And ye ni adie. Or supporting Mahama campus. I know Mokando Maka. And ye and send ye yes, I nukre. You have a question. Say act and was setting up a forestry commission. Before the Yanko constitution, I said I'm from Article 269 here. Article 269 and a share parliament kete so mon set up forestry commission. Now forestry commission you juma die ne say. Oko Article 269 of our constitution was subject to the provisions of this constitution. Parliament shall by or under an act of parliament provide for the establishment within 6 months after parliament first meet. That is 1993, 7 January. Within 6 months, Parliament also to me form a BB. Na yedi no form here. Minerals Commission baby Ayisi no. Forestry Commission baby Hughes Brown. You see, Dr. Hughes Brown with the national. And Fisheries Commission and such other commissions as Parliament may determine, which shall be responsible for the regulation and management of the utilization of our natural resources, concern and the coordination of policies in relation to them. Yeah, make out there say. Eti constitution no onim say Forestry Commission, Minerals Commission. Who hear so much say or share Parliament kete say. Omon form a Forestry Commission. Omon form a Minerals Commission. And you form a no. You can say commission no. And your chief executive na commission no go be. Yanko section 2 of section 4 of the commission Act 571. Sorry, I'm section 4. Famiko the section 4 of Act 571 no. Famiko Emrana. Now for yen say you can say the commissioner or say the commission is responsible for the regulation of institution blah blah blah. No Famiko section 4 no. Now Yemra 2 section 4 is the one that talks about what constitute the commission. Na jomama aya DB. We nim the oba be yenti. On form a commission you know. And was say acting. There is no commission. But the acting CEO. So the governing body of the commission is a board consisting of one, the chairman, the chief executive of the commission, one representative of the National House of Chiefs, and in that order, it to be forced forestry commission by the Jumano. Board, governing board, consisting of these people. But onim the obeyenti on far governing board name is why acting a chief executive. So if you want to see how dangerous the plan is, in the next base 6 months to 8 months, see a forest entry permit here. Say Ayisi nebema a concession. No ma concession wa ebeko forest munyasa eso obi na ma forest entry permit na hwan na beboya me atimi execute no he was brown betimi aboya na ene wote na ho eti no da so te wo no eti na ban ne ba ye ba bia ye pam nkrofo ya mpam on the elevating no ho de pa NDC for na mu kamu say ye the forest commission ye dia ma wono ye campaign wanye campaign here for man demo campaign ben wo ye Dr. Hughes Brown wo ye campaign ben ya e bia amegina platform so but na kakra kwa na sika ko na ye wan na nadamfo a ye busa question question na dia ti ye hihye sa adwuma yi Ayisi ni Minerals Commission Dr. Hughes Brown ni Forestry Commission the walk to gold war and it do obema entry permit to the forest eye ho amoa the make what say and no ne ye Ayisi ne Dr. Hughes Brown e be ye kobi na omoye we ni wi a na ye kwakope gold no ese de koma obi ne ye ko create eye gold board no one da no omo de ba be hye same jamfiase more fire. Eti no must same jamfi na oversee the creation of the gold board. Omo de ba be hye na se. Adwuma na. Omo hye adwuma. Permutation ni na. Coffee permutation ato. It's a national issue. Nkrofo e di bone we need to let the people know. More fire. Let me go there say. So nobody should be distracting me like that. Anya good dey no ha. I'm not playing here. Uni pakra oba ni ya hye show asia. Stay out because why you late? Don't come in. Don't come and distract me. Many abrepa. More fire. Kofo be wiye gold be wiye nyoma ni ade. Ese be mama mfoni hunu. Ya gudie. Kobi. Ese mama mfoni hunu. Moja ye na nanu mo pray ye de ji wo man nya no de omo yi. More fire. Afa se yira mbosa meja mfi voice no a ni video no a wo ka se gold board ni juma wo ba be die bona mfoni TV. Wono munti.
Ono no broni so be the sole buyer of gold from Ghana. And yes ejuma no. Ono no broni so be the sole buyer of gold from Ghana. Gold be to Ghana be no say beton de anko de agese woton e de ma gold board. O gold na beton kra agese woton de ma gold board. Na gold board so ene be ye the national assay obehwe gold ni say gold a ye de kwa
afa tie say you remember how tie muntie asame jamfi kasa na wo kan yi. First of all yakasa national assay gold no eye PMMC Kofi ana per the act na establish PMMC no wo mo adwuma no so mbe check the purity and the assayer yakasa assayer export o mo export gold no esa PMMC boa o mo export gold and same jamfi say or gold board na be ye the national assayer that means ye be go PMMC no because PMMC adwuma no so be ye assayer na same jamfi say after same jamfi say the gold board is going to be the sole buyer of gold in the whole country. The danger in what they are trying to do, you guys are not seeing it. Imagine see a better not the gold of this nation. Cocoa board. It is a one now to way. The entire cocoa for a here. And it's a cocoa board, Nugovi, or Koji world price market here. Do a pen what they make for. Tia de make a ye. And Nejo Mama knows what Baba resetino. or no so oba set up gold board which will behave like cocoa board. I want the better gold the wagan and it na we gold exporter. We need to miss okoton gold wa monone. It is okoko je a world market price of gold bar. The open what the bema wo. Obi ade no mo ye no. E so dangerous. It ye bedru baby ukasa okoton wa gold. Na wa anton ama abanya. It is against the law. Ye betu said ye no okoton cocoa wo Cote d'Ivoire ye che no. And the entire here cocoa akuyafo. And it's a cocoa board and provision and obi see a gold in our beto. No wonder say Ibrahim Amanya interested in our bauxite to be over. Because you have a gold in our buano. You beto. I'm going to buy my price. And small scale a minus much war. Yes, shall deal with a much one more. Said the gold will gun in Yanano. Yet the Kosheni Paba couldn't a bush answer. So bet me a tone gold war. I just some but some people is no Munchebu. Bobbio. It is so dangerous.
Now to
Tumofo. Maybe can Wednesday, yes, almost shared you maybe. Some Jamfina Naya Casama, former extinct Quebec. Yenty, some Jamfi voice, Yenty.
Ghana be and say beton the anko de agye say wo ton e de ma gold board wo gold na beton kra agye say wo ton de ma gold board na gold board so ene
tie haye was wo gold na beton kwa de agye say wo de ma gold board you say repeat some dem video say repeat it
Ghana be and say beton the anko de agye say wo ton e de ma gold board wo gold na beton kra agye say wo ton de ma gold board na gold board so ene be ye the national asia obehwe gold ni say gold aye de kwa amanoni bia
egobi we ni ajapa deal no the difference o mu ye dey we then na your mama buy the here pan gold board afi won na beto gold organ nyina etimo de enti akuyafo bebre etwa omu ekoko oguo e de ye galamsey it's because cocoa board amane impoverish wo mo ene sa mo ye galamsey na mo ya gold no a aban so ko create gold board asa gold board na beto on na be ma mo price and it will be illegal. So best smuggle gold akotona bruchiri. It will be illegal. And one more do more license and more. So they will license people who are NDC members, who are the family of Ibrahims, to come and buy the gold. Baby, the wealth of this nation will be in the hands of few people. And near Japan difference behind him. And near Japan the difference behind him. Difference behind him. Miss Woman a bell license woman from Koma Modia Mati Bie from the corridors of power. And I made an idea. Maybe can Wednesday na Samijan Finka side. Samijan Finka side no confirm myself a gold board no or no Samijan Fiba Kodano. It's PMMC because PMMC adwuma so be check the purity of gold and the national assaya. And there's Samijan Finka gold board in the bay the national assaya. Or no Samijan Finka ba koda so. Say be ya one Ibrahim boy. Sikane be koyin. You guys are not serious. And NPP motiwo e hwe sa die we ma die we koso. NPP to mo hwe die we. Say gold we turn Ghana nyina ko hye nipa ba konsa. I'm telling you, it's so dangerous. When we na hu kwa chiri, we NDC no NPP ni odwene hu kwa chiri. Ade no mo hye is dangerous. Ade ba no. Japade ye but eno kwa de no mo say royalties enye the main gold no na mo ho royalties ene ye gold ni nyinada e ba ko hye nipa ba konsa tin what an appointment, very strategic appointment, and ye near frefra ye hu. I'm telling you, it's very dangerous. Adiana your mama ni ninu mo ye no na mo to ne ehwe no bi ehwe because your mama na ye ekufo do ye cassette ai Yetiam, your mama so create gold board. Na moja na ye na nanu mu hwie ye de to wo no. Obi ye de yankia no ntum because your mama. Yankia no ntum. Yankia no ntum. Omo hye adwuma me say yentia ki ayisi tif ayi kan say minerals commission wo. Ayisi ko ma pam de dado. Ko yi no. Ona de adwene ba gold board no na de ba. Anu obo mo hye na anu mbeka Wednesday no nkomo bi a SAP akire ni se o mo se ani Ayisi no wie wo boy me wie ani ya bone galawe. I'm telling you. And Dr. Hughes Brown, we kufa na appointed no ko executive de bende won opagya no. And they won buy o mo comfortable mo opagya no ko. Afenyo makim when esmoni bre ho. Gold board no mo di be wi ayan. I'm telling you. Wamba gold no nkrofo ahia omo okroma. World price market for gold is competitive. More be anko seti gold board be aba beto ama omo price amena hia nkrofo. What do I say? Danko dada do. Very dangerous. All of us must speak against it. Before I say Solomon Usu ne kwa me beba, yanko your third topic so. Your last topic.